Before installation, here are some helpful tips in setting up your car seat. The Pria Chill features VentMax technology, which is an integrated automatic fan system with specially designed sensors that engage fans to circulate air when the temperature rises. Place the car seat in the seating location you plan to install it. Locate the accessory power cord included with your seat. Plug the power cord into the 12-volt accessory port on the back of the car seat. Raise the headrest to its highest position. This will create the longest distance between the car seat and the accessory port in your vehicle, ensuring the power cord will remain plugged in securely. Plug the 12-volt accessory power cord into the accessory port. If your vehicle has more than one port, choose the one closest to the car seat. We recommend routing the power cord out of children's reach. Here are some suggestions. If the accessory port is in the front of the seat, run the cord between the vehicle seats and under car mats. You may also route the cord under the car seat and out the front. If the accessory port is behind the seat, run the cord down along the vehicle seat and under the car mats. Floor and trunk mats may be placed over the cord. Ensure that the switch on the power cord is in the on position. When properly installed and the vehicle's engine is turned on, the indicator light will blink twice, showing that the car seat is receiving power. If you choose not to use the VentMax fan system, simply turn the power cord switch to off or unplug the power cord and store away. The VentMax automatic fan system turns on when the temperature rises and adjusts the fan speed accordingly. There are 2 fans in the lumbar area and 1 fan in the headrest. When the temperature sensor reading is too low to need ventilation, the fans and the indicator light will remain deactivated. When the temperature sensor reading is warm enough, the fans will activate and the indicator light will glow steadily. The Pria Chill features special open cell padding and soft, breathable mesh fabric that allow air to easily circulate through. The fan system and indicator light will turn off automatically when the temperature sensor reaches the optimal temperature. Be sure to lower the headrest to the position that best fits your child. You are now ready to install your car seat. Please refer to your instruction manual or installation videos before choosing the car seats mode.